Friends, find the value of the integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square by 2 dx using gamma function. A video is prepared on gamma function and the video link is given in the description. Please go through the video, your concept will be clear. Friends, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. What is gamma n? Gamma n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 dx. Mark it 1. And what is given? Given I is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. Again mark it 2. Now friends, see that in the definition, this is actually the definition of gamma function. In the definition 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, but in our example this is given e to the power minus x square by 2, so we have to make these minus x square by 2 like this, like this index minus x. So for this we substitute this x square by 2 as t. Okay, let x square by 2 is equal to t, or twice x dx is equal to 2 dt. Therefore dx is equal to dt upon x. What is x? Here x square is equal to 2t. Therefore x is equal to root over 2t. So we can replace this x by root over 2t. Now friends, we have to change the limits. When x tends to 0, then obviously t tends to 0, isn't it? When x tends to 0, t tends to 0. So when x tends to infinity, then t is tending to infinity. So friends, our integral is this one. Integration 0 to infinity, here also 0 to infinity. Okay. So 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. E to the power minus x square by 2 is equal to t dx. Dx is equal to dt by root over 2t. So friends, we can write it as 1 upon root t integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t dt divided by root t. That means 1 upon root 2 into integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power minus half dt. So friends, from here we can write is equal to 1 upon root 2 into integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into t to the power half minus 1 dt. So friends, compare this one with the definition. Gamma n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power n minus 1. Here n minus 1, n is equal to half. So friends, using gamma function we can write 1 upon root 2 into gamma of half. Okay. So what is gamma half? In the last video we already knew this one, gamma half is equal to root pi. So friends, the result is root pi divided by root 2. That means whole root pi upon 2. Hence the result I is equal to what was given. I is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. So the result is root over pi by 2. So friends, in this way we shall continue many more examples on integration, and we shall solve or evaluate all of them using gamma function. Thank you. Have a nice day.